This lesson consists of following subunits: linear inequations in two variables, then convex sets. Next part, graphical representation of linear inequations in two variables. Next, graphical solution of linear inequations. The next part, linear programming problems. It consists of meaning of linear programming problems, mathematical formulation of LPP, and solution of LPP by graphical methods. These are the contents of lesson linear programming. Introduction. A linear equation in two variables x and y. Equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c belongs to real numbers. And next thing, a and b are not 0 simultaneously. This equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represent a straight line. Equation represent straight line. Straight line makes disjoint parts of the plane. Simple thing, if you draw a line in the plane, it makes different parts for the plane. The points lying on the straight line and two half planes on either side, which are represented by ax plus by plus c less than 0 and ax plus by plus c greater than 0. From that from that line, plane divided in the two parts. One condition you are writing as a strictly less than, and in second part you can write strictly greater than. We will now study the two half planes made by a line. The set of points x comma y satisfying condition ax plus by plus c less than 0, and another one pair of point xy satisfying condition ax plus by plus c greater than 0 are two open half planes. Then set of points, another one way expressed as ax plus by plus c less than or equal to 0, and next set of points ax plus by plus c greater than or equal to 0 are two half planes with common points. Here sign you can observe greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Means the points on that line are included in both the parts, that is common points. The sets xy elements order pair ax plus by plus c less than or equal to 0 and second with greater than or equal to 0 have the common boundary points. Both have getting the common boundary points as a set of order pair xy which satisfies condition ax plus by plus c equal to 0 on that particular line is getting exactly equal to 0. One part gives value less than 0, other part gives value greater than 0, and that boundary points, this is the common for everyone. Now, linear inequations in two variables. This equation you have seen, ax plus by plus c, either strictly less than, strictly greater than, less than or equal to, otherwise greater than or equal to. They are the linear equations in two variables. So definition expressed as a linear equation in two variables x and y is an expression of the form ax plus by less than c or ax plus by greater than c, where that a and b both are not simultaneously 0 and number AB belongs to real numbers. This is a definition of linear inequation in two variables. Convex set definition: a set of points in a plane is said to be a convex set if line segment joining any two points of the set entirely lies within the set. Check. The following sets are convex sets. Example given here. 2 points are taken in this plane as A and B. Line joining these 2 points entirely lies within this set. So the set is said to be convex set. One more you can observe this type of polygon. Points A and B in the plane, line joining them entirely lies inside. So these are the convex sets. Next one, the following sets are not convex set. Check example given here figure. This geometrical shape. If point A and point B in that plane, if you join these 2 points, line joining these 2 points not lies inside the set, it will go outside from the shaded part. This is not a convex set. One more you can see figure. Check this, the shaded portion, okay, highlighted. This is a set, and in that set 2 points, one is at left side, other is at right hand side, is joining these 2 points. That line was going outside that region, shaded region. So this set is not a convex set. Not given for like a bounded convex sets or unbounded convex sets. First one for bounded convex sets. Check figure here given as a hexagon. If you observe boundaries for this set formed by straight lines, so it is said to be bounded convex set. One more example, observe the boundaries are formed by straight lines, so it becomes bounded convex set. Next, for unbounded convex set, check figure given here. Here boundaries are not formed by straight lines, and observe this shaded part given as a solution set. This will be unbounded, curve goes up to infinity, so it is said to be unbounded convex set. Note, graphical representations of x less than or equal to h and x greater than or equal to h on the Cartesian coordinate system. How to plot the graph for the inequation x less than or equal to h or x greater than or equal to h. Very simple thing. To draw first line x is equal to h in the xy plane. First draw line x is equal to h, that is line parallel to y axis at a distance h unit from origin. Check here figure. The solution set is the set of points lying on the left hand side or right hand side of the line x is equal to h. This line x is equal to h. Condition x less than or equal to h. Less than, that means region will be towards left hand side from that line. And if you have provided greater than, then the region will be towards the right hand side of the line. Check in second figure. X greater than or equal to h. From that line x is equal to h. Region is towards non-origin side. That means opposite side of origin. Less than sign, region towards origin side. Greater than sign, region is towards non-origin side. Graphical representation of y less than or equal to k and x y greater than or equal to k on the Cartesian coordinate system. First, draw the line y is equal to k in the xy plane. Check figure here. XY plane, x less than or equal to k. If you are taking less than means origin side, so arrows taken towards origin side. And if there is sign greater than, so region will be away from origin. Check second figure. Y greater than or equal to k, region away from origin side. Graphical representation of ax plus by strictly less than or equal to 0 or strictly greater than or equal to 0 on the Cartesian coordinate system. So for that, first you have to draw the line ax plus by equal to 0. Equation ax plus by equal to 0 is getting a line. That line passes through the origin. Check. Simple example given, line is taken as a 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y, this line will passes through the origin. How to draw these two line? You already learned in 10th standard. If you take x is equal to 0, y is obtained 0. So point first one is taken. Next, x is equal to 1, value for y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to plus 2, y equal to something like these points are getting, and that point you have joined getting a line. This technique you have already learned. Here sign is less than, arrows shown. Check from this line towards origin downward, and here away from origin because of sign greater than or equal to.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.